And back at it. Where we say back at it again. Another God of War upon them. Back at it again. Machete in a hand. Last pan back. Yeah. Back at it again, my side. Welcome back to another upon the God of War or something. You know that big dirty axe up here we just set up and fling it in our boy head. I wouldn't feel like them, you know, man. Hold them and chop out in it for you. Yeah, man. Them have to understand it, you know, so we more time say, yo, we can't just continuously. I should. We have to use we hand more while and chop out my boy head and read them mind.
A soul eater.
And a traveler. Guard up.
Hear this over there, right? Where are you dealing? Yeah, man, this, I'm sure you are going. You see which one I'm doing right now in this talk? It's when you finish the story. You have them side quests, yeah? You have them side mission, yeah? Yeah, what's up, fam? Thanks for checking in. I'm doing God of War right now. I'm trying to get to the Valkyrie, which is some of the hidden bosses. So I already defeated one. There's an earlier video on that. I defeated one here. So I'm going to like skiddy boop bop bang this guy right here. You know, these two. And then I'm going to go over here and get rid of that one. Okay? That's a soul eater. Welcome to the stream. Yo, Raheem. Alright. Them thing, yeah? Them thing, yeah, nine, dog. Whoa, yep. Yo, shot it. Whoa. Alright, my shit. Boy, I feel like. Boy, yup. Boy. Yo, send out the bull them. Oh, God. Oh God, when you're doing combos like that, you can't dodge. Alright, now for these little guys. Oh, shit, he got away. Where are you at? No? Fire under your blood. Here's the horrible part about this game mode. With this God of War, you can't jump. So you have to utilize shield and stuff like that.
What's a soul eater even doing here? What do you mean it's your fault?
Boy, ignore him.
Boy.
It's sort of tough for me to ignore.
Alright, come on. Yeah, man, Fortnite. No, all in this you can't swim the general. The money I got a war, the money I deal with the wet something, you see me? I don't know say water wet and them things. Water wet. You can't jump or you can't do certain things, you see me? So you have to rely upon the look of help for your look of your booby Nile. Yeah man, me and JJ. What JJ? JJ, come. Yeah man, but he give my victory royale on the getaway mode. I was streaming earlier too, Matt. You know?
He says this chest will trigger a bunch of traps.
Oh, bring the traps on. More money for me.
I see no traps.
You sounded so sure about it.
Sir? Well, go on, Omar. Yeah, dog. Fortnite, get to me, dog. Get to me. Sir. Go around with your mama. What did that boy? Shot that boy there. JJ, shot him. Watch out. Ramp to the mother and ramp to me. Hold this. Don't ramp to the boy. Come here. Don't ramp to the boy. What you know about this? Come here. Take off of this. What you know about this? Come here. Come here. JJ never tell you what go on. Come here. That boy a ramp with money in a dog. That boy. Don't touch me, JJ. Shot him. How him touch? Stop ramp with man, son, dog. That man I tell you, dog. You know man, son a bad boy too, you know. Remember to drop a like and a share on the stream. If you're just checking in for the first time, remember to subscribe. It's appreciated that you have even made the time out of your busy day. Drop by. So in the great words of a Japanese anime awesome dude, arigato gozaimashita. Yeah man, I'm here on JJ. Watch out. Woolly pop violence. What's going on here? Huh? Okay. Dog, the man can't swim, dog. You don't know, see the water wet and them thing there, daddy. Yeah, we are trying to bring Pancreatus. The man in a beat from 4 bombarded games are going to be that. I don't know what kind of thing that the man try to bring down Pancreatus. You ever see the man in the water yet? Look like something over here, so I'm going to forget, you know. No, but I won't be able to see the streams. Because I just see video, dog. Yeah, man, I be at that Fortnite at one with, dog. Be a slackness. Yeah, look at slackness the game I go on with. Hey, JJ, stop cursing. Hey, little boy. Jesus Christ. Nigel, you hear a child around here cursing bad word? Oh, God. Yo, the man root, yo. So anytime I get in a face cam, I see the whole heap of things that a little boy I go on with, man. Wait. JJ damn rude, you know it. A curiosity, you call it when you rude. Alright. Call me and tell me about talk to JJ, yeah?
Barry says his workshop is up there. But I know. Don't trust the talking ring.
Yo, my son, we are going to jump on a rope here and we are going to slide down this like a dam. Come in. Wee. Jump on my back. Alright, JJ. Wee. Yeah, man, Raheem. Look on the map again in the Majena. You see them thing, huh? Are them thing you need for fight when you finish the story mode. Them are Valkyries, you see me? Girl, them hard to kill. Good man! Clear your mama! up. Yeah, the move up. That's so much money there. Yo, let's talk the bull them. Yeah, the mother you. Alright, watch out. Now ramp with JJ too. Rough. The next boy. Ramp with JJ too rough, you know. Yeah, ramp with JJ too rough. You know, I'm thump in here. Yeah, the mother. Oh my god. Yo. Oh no. Nah, run with bad man so much. Oh shit. Run with bad man. Too much, you know. Oh dang, son. Yeah, youth, FM me lift bells.
I'm ready.
Run for your mother. This is what me hear from the Dark Hills, man. See me I show you Rhyme? Them boy hard to kill. Come here. Don't ramp with my son, you. Don't ramp with JJ. Come here. Don't ramp with JJ, boy. Why? Oh god. Enough. Yeah man, me I tell you YouTube because I pay that one dog. Mother you. Yeah, the mother you can play me. JJ, shot him. Ah, shit. Oh my god. Ah! Bruh! This nigga blocking everything, bruh. And my armor and everything is upgraded. Come now, come now. Come on. Play their father, you. Play their father, you. What? So there's no way to block that attack? Send them out. Grab the boy. Come here. Don't ramp with me, son, you. Don't ramp with JJ. Come here. Don't ramp with me. Don't ramp with JJ. Don't ramp with JJ. Ah! Oh my God, bro. Don't run with man JJ. Yeah, boy. Chat it. Yeah, boy. What in what? Yeah, boy. Don't run with man JJ again in a youth. Whoa, I got something epic. Alright, let's see what's going on. What's going on like Donkey Kong? Oh my God, this is gonna bring my life down. Reduce the amount of damage taken. Bruh. Alright, this is an enforcement field. Okay. I don't really like it though, so I'm gonna probably put it back to what it was. Skills, abilities, where the hell is it? Yeah, here we go. I'm gonna stick with the healing. I'm gonna stick with healing. I'm gonna stick with healing. I'm gonna stick with healing. I can't put it back on. I can't put it back to healing. What the hell? It doesn't seem like I can put back on the healing. Alright. Doesn't look like I can put back to healing.
Father, please, just listen. Invari's crew did something bad to him. He's glad you destroyed his lab, and he's sorry you kept trying to trick him. His hammer is just through this gate.
Alright, the real life JJ cry. I wonder what him do now. Come. Up there, boy. Make sure you find it.
Boy,
Sir. Okay. That's going in.
Right, the Soul Eater. Gotta find this nigga's hammer. What up, what up, what up? Remember
This
to
is a
like,
fine
subscribe, and share, bro. Thanks for
Invari
passing
says
through
thank
the
you.
stream.
Can we keep him?
It's the God of
we will talk
Warness,
to the
bro.
blue one.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Man, this. Hold up. Give me that line. Come here. What did I tell you, nigga? Don't ever pull up on a nigga like that. What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you?
Done.
Come. Yeah, I saw it. Alright, let's get this hammer back to the dwarf. That little shit monkey. Oh, no, no, no. That's not the way we came. Come on. That foul-mouthed little shit monkey. Alright, here's the thing with this God of War. When you finish the story mode, it doesn't end there. You have a whole lot of things to do and a whole lot of experience to do.
Find that hammer?
Here you go, you little
The
shit.
alchemist's hammer. His spirit is a nuisance.
Yeah. Anvari always was an asshole. Hell of an alchemist, though. Hand him over here and I'll melt him down.
What? You're going to melt down your friend?
A trapped soul's what I need to give your reward some extra oomph. You don't want it?
Father, we can't do that.
Yes,
Here,
I
you
can.
hold on to him. He's really useful, I promise.
Fine. So long as he proves his worth.
Kid's a bit of a softie, huh? Well, he'll grow out of it.
What did I just get?
My brother and me got a new project. Come see us at the temple, if it so please you.
Alright. How do we get here though? This is what puzzles me. I don't know how to get there. Go to the temple. GG. Stop it.
Here's something I can't figure out. Odin wants to prevent Ragnarok, but the serpent's already been there and seen it. So hasn't he already failed?
Fate's a tricky thing, lad. And Odin's just arrogant enough to think he can get the best of it.
Fate is another lie told by the gods. Nothing is written that cannot be unwritten.
On
Yeah,
that,
I can
brother,
tell you
and
that,
the
bro, 'cause I
Allfather
killed
may
Faith.
just agree. Even if he can't prevent Ragnarok, he still hopes to learn enough details to influence the outcome. Remind me later to tell you about the wolves.
There we go. But look at it. This game is beautiful, bro. Look at that. these two little shits up
My
to?
brother and me got a new
What do you want?
With the whetstone and hammer you've retrieved for us, Brock and I can construct the Devegrathikar, dwarven armor of legend.
We just need 3 more mythical ingredients before we set to hammer.
Which are...
Dunno. Armor's pure legend, and the details is fuzzier than a wolver's butthole.
You expect
what?
us to find parts from a legend?
Oh, Motsugner, the dwarf king, found 2 of them. Everyone knows that. But when he went looking for the 3rd,
Poof! He vanished. Maybe he'll find some clues at his stronghold in Konunsgard.
and looky here, a Koningsguard entry stone. It's got your name on it. How fucking strange.
Man, you see that little shit here?
The stronghold's northwest of here, behind the Svartalfheim Realm Tower.
Large stone structure, creepy atmosphere. You'll know it when you see it.
Ah. I guess this is it. I'm not sure. Oh my god.
The Huldra brothers, back in action again. Oh, I can't wait to get started.
Look at this, look at this. Look at this, YouTube. This said nigga is nowhere near me when I'm near the border, but watch this.
I'm glad Brock and Sindri were able to work out the differences.
Man!
God, twice as irritating.
Oh, I think it's nice to see them trust each other again. I have a question. If Ymir was the first giant, where did he come from?
In the beginning, there was Ganungagok, the Great Void. There were no realms yet, only primordial forces. There was fire, and there was ice. And there in the void they met and produced
Water?
war and water. The mystic lifeblood of something entirely new. From this water, Ymir took form and became a being of pure creation and chaos, mother and father to all that came after.
Isn't that the damn dragon?
Aye. Every god, man, and beast came first from Ymir's flesh. Though it was the Aesir who thought themselves so superior that they should hold dominion over the rest of creation. It was Odin who took arms against his creator and spilled Ymir's lifeblood with his spear. A necessary evil, he would say, to bring order to the realms. In Ymir's torn flesh, Odin would fashion the realm of Midgard for his own. Called himself All-Father, as if he was the creator, and not the creator's destroyer. Small, covetous tyrant.
Ymir?
Huh? Oh, sorry, boy. You know, I think it's best we just end it there, actually.
Few things with these little islands, bro. These little islands are terrifyingly terrible.
We could beat
Look
you
at
over
that.
here.
See what we got here. Oh, you son of a bitches right here. Damn, what? JJ! I don't know what the hell is going on with that one. Let's see what's in here. Push your finger in it. Push your finger in it. Got something. Oh my god, these two little boys keep fighting. Would you look at that? Oh my god. I hate these kind of soul eaters.
Ready to go now.
My god, these soul eaters suck. Come here. Don't run with bad people. Step in your belly. Don't run with me. Alright. Hate soul eaters. Open up for daddy. Oh my goodness, bro. Jesus. Dude.
You okay, brother?
Dude. Get rid of this shit, bruh. God damn it.
A tough fight.
Give me all that, bruh. God dang it.
Here, boy.
Pick that up, boy.
It's another
It's a
one of those
map.
maps.
man. So there's no way around here? God damn it. Oh, shit. Is there the way around? Guess not. Ah, man, I'm tired, bro.
So here.
We'll call
Is there
it
a
a
story
day
from
for
the giant
right
with the flaming
now.
sword?
Suit the brave.
Thanks for passing
Of
through.
course. We've spoken so
Skitty
much
boop
of
boop boop
Frost.
to you too.
It's about time we instead met the most
Ah.
fiery giant of all.
We'll go watch.
Back when Ymir
Iron
first
Fist.
emerged from Ginnungagap, it was Surt who followed next. He came from Muspelheim, the fire realm, bringing heat to the young cosmos, conjuring the sun from his primordial flame. So let's come back to that flaming sword, shall we? Surt the Brave forged his sword of flame for one purpose alone: to burn down Asgard when Ragnarok comes at last.
Hear that? Keep it on that, you know. Alright, thanks for passing through, guys.